Hello, design lovers, and welcome back to the Daily House Ideas. Today, we're diving into something truly magical, a restoration hardware-inspired farmhouse Christmas that brings together reclaimed woods and industrial glow. Imagine walking through spaces where every corner tells a story of rustic charm meets refined elegance. We'll explore how weathered textures, vintage metals, and warm holiday touches transform your home into a cozy winter sanctuary. If you love timeless design with that perfect balance of comfort and sophistication, you're in the right place. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss our design inspiration. Let's get started. Your farmhouse exterior sets the stage for the entire Christmas experience. Picture this: a classic board and batten facade in soft whites or warm grays, adorned with a simple evergreen wreath on a reclaimed wood door. The beauty of restoration hardware style lies in its restraint. Think oversized lanterns flanking the entrance with battery-operated candles creating that industrial glow. Add galvanized metal planters filled with fresh pine branches and white birch logs stacked artfully beside the door. String Edison bulb lights along the roofline for subtle sparkle without overwhelming the architecture. The key is letting natural materials and architectural details shine while holiday accents enhance rather than dominate the aesthetic. Step inside to an entryway that balances function with farmhouse beauty. A reclaimed wood bench with industrial metal brackets provides seating while storing winter boots underneath. Above it, a row of aged bronze hooks holds coats and scarves, each piece feeling intentional yet effortless. An oversized antiqued mirror with a simple frame reflects light and expands the space, while a jute runner grounds the area with natural texture. For Christmas, add a small eucalyptus wreath and mercury glass votives on a salvaged wood console. A vintage galvanized tray corrals keys and mail. This transitional space whispers welcome home while keeping clutter at bay through thoughtful storage solutions that look beautiful. The living room embodies restoration hardware's signature aesthetic, a neutral palette with rich texture and architectural interest. Start with a deeply cushioned linen sofa in oatmeal or greige, layered with chunky cable knit throws and linen pillows. A reclaimed wood coffee table with industrial metal base becomes your focal point. For Christmas, style it minimally. A wooden dough bowl filled with pine cones, mercury glass ornaments, and pillar candles in varying heights. Flank your fireplace with oversized lanterns and drape fresh garland with leather ribbon across the mantel. The industrial glow comes from vintage-inspired sconces and a statement chandelier, perhaps a wagon wheel design with Edison bulbs casting warm, amber light throughout. Your dining room channels that effortless elegance restoration hardware is known for. A massive reclaimed wood table with natural edge detailing seats your loved ones comfortably. Industrial metal chairs with linen cushions mix beautifully with a bench on one side, creating casual sophistication. For Christmas tablescaping, embrace the less is more philosophy. A linen runner in natural flax, simple white dinnerware, and vintage brass candlesticks down the center. Add sprigs of fresh eucalyptus or pine between place settings. A statement pendant light with mixed metals and exposed filament bulbs hangs above, providing that industrial glow. The beauty lies in letting quality materials speak for themselves while creating an intimate atmosphere for memorable meals. The kitchen blends modern convenience with rustic warmth seamlessly. Shaker-style cabinets in soft white or sage green provide timeless appeal, while open shelving displays ironstone dishes and vintage cutting boards. A classic farmhouse sink with an industrial bridge faucet becomes both practical and beautiful. Your stainless appliances, refrigerator, range, and compact coffee station integrate smoothly within the design. For Christmas, style open shelves with mercury glass canisters, wooden beads, and small evergreen clippings in vintage bottles. A reclaimed wood island with metal brackets serves as prep space and gathering spot. Pendant lights with cage details and Edison bulbs illuminate the workspace. The result? A kitchen that's holiday-ready yet functional for everyday life. The family room offers relaxed sophistication perfect for movie nights and game evenings. A sectional in performance linen, practical for real life, creates ample seating around a reclaimed wood media console housing your flat-screen TV. Layer in texture through chunky knit poofs, leather ottomans, and vintage-inspired area rugs. For Christmas, keep technology balanced with nature by flanking the TV with small potted evergreens in galvanized buckets. Add warm throws in cream and gray, and place pillar candles on the console. Industrial floor lamps with adjustable arms provide task lighting, while the Edison bulb glow creates ambience. This space proves you can have both contemporary entertainment and timeless farmhouse charm coexisting beautifully. Your home office corner showcases how farmhouse style adapts to modern needs. A compact desk crafted from reclaimed wood with hairpin legs or industrial pipe bases keeps the footprint small. Above it, floating shelves made from salvaged barn would display a vintage radio, leather-bound books, and a unique small desk clock with Roman numerals. A comfortable linen chair on casters provides mobility without sacrificing style. For Christmas, add a small potted rosemary tree. It's festive and doubles as fresh herbs. String a simple garland along the shelving with mini battery-powered lights. Keep desktop accessories in brass or bronze finishes. This hardworking space maintains the aesthetic flow while supporting productivity during the busy holiday season. Every farmhouse needs a reading nook that beckons you to slow down. Position a wingback chair in natural linen or worn leather near a window, paired with a vintage side table holding your current read. A swing-arm wall sconce with Edison bulb provides adjustable reading light without taking floor space. Layer in a sheepskin throw and velvet pillow for luxury. For Christmas, style your nook with a small evergreen wreath hung on the window, a brass tray with tea essentials on the side table, and a wooden bowl of vintage ornaments nearby. A woven basket stores extra blankets and books. This intimate space becomes your sanctuary for morning coffee or evening wind-down moments throughout the holiday season. The bedroom embraces Restoration Hardware's philosophy of quiet luxury. A substantial bed frame in reclaimed wood or upholstered linen becomes your anchor piece. Dress it with layers, linen duvet in natural tones, textured throws, and an abundance of pillows in varying sizes. Bedside tables in weathered wood with simple lines hold vintage-inspired lamps with linen shades. For Christmas, keep decorations subtle. A small wreath above the bed, evergreen sprigs in ironstone pitchers on nightstands, and battery-operated candles for gentle evening glow. A storage bench at the foot of the bed, upholstered in grain sack fabric, adds both function and style. The goal is creating a cocoon where rest comes naturally amidst beautiful simplicity. Your bathroom channels spa tranquility through farmhouse elements. A walk-in shower with subway tiles and vintage-style fixtures provides clean lines and functionality. The vanity, ideally reclaimed wood with vessel sinks and industrial pipe fittings, offers plenty of storage while making a statement. Large mirrors in simple metal frames reflect light beautifully. For Christmas touches, roll white towels with leather straps, add eucalyptus sprigs to a galvanized vase, and place soy candles in mercury glass holders along the vanity. Keep toiletries in apothecary jars and vintage crocks. Industrial sconces flanking the mirror provide that signature glow. This space proves everyday routines can feel special when surrounded by thoughtfully chosen materials and minimal, seasonal touches. The garage often gets overlooked, but in true farmhouse fashion, it deserves attention too. Exposed wood beams and painted brick walls create architectural interest. Install pegboard painted in black or sage for tool organization that's both functional and visually appealing. A workbench crafted from reclaimed wood with industrial vise becomes a practical Christmas wrapping station. Galvanized storage bins on open shelving keep supplies tidy. For holiday flair, Hang a simple evergreen wreath on the door leading inside, and string Edison bulbs along the ceiling for warm workshop lighting. Vintage gas station signs or farm implements as wall art add character. This hardworking space maintains style while serving its practical purpose beautifully. Your farmhouse patio transitions beautifully into winter with the right elements. A covered area with exposed wood beams allows year-round use. Arrange weather-resistant furniture. Think teak or metal frames with all-weather cushions in neutral tones. A reclaimed wood dining table seats guests for outdoor Christmas meals. For warmth, add an industrial fire pit or outdoor fireplace as your gathering focal point. String cafe lights overhead, creating that signature industrial glow after sunset. Decorate with galvanized planters filled with evergreens, lanterns with pillar candles, and plaid blankets draped over chair backs. A vintage wagon or metal cart displays firewood. This extension of your living space proves cold weather doesn't mean sacrificing outdoor enjoyment. Let's talk about achieving that perfect industrial glow central to this aesthetic. Restoration hardware style relies heavily on layered lighting with vintage-inspired fixtures. Choose chandeliers, pendants, and sconces featuring mixed metals, bronze, brass, or blackened iron, with Edison bulbs or exposed filament lights. The warm amber glow these create is essential for cozy ambience. Combine overhead statement pieces with task lighting and accent lamps throughout. During Christmas, supplement with battery-operated candles in lanterns and mercury glass votives scattered across surfaces. Dimmer switches are your best friend, allowing you to adjust intensity for different moods. The goal isn't bright illumination, but rather creating pools of warm light that invite gathering and conversation. Reclaimed wood forms the foundation of authentic farmhouse style, but choosing wisely matters. Look for pieces with genuine history, salvaged barn wood, old fencing, or industrial factory timbers. Each board tells a story through nail holes, weathering, and natural patina. For furniture, seek substantial pieces with visible wood grain and natural imperfections that add character. Floating shelves, mantels, and accent walls in reclaimed would create instant warmth. During Christmas, these surfaces provide perfect backdrops for minimal decorations. The wood itself is beautiful enough. Mix wood tones freely. The varied patinas actually enhance the collected over time feel. Finish with matte sealers that protect while maintaining the raw, natural appearance that makes reclaimed lumber so special. Industrial metals provide the perfect counterpoint to soft woods and linens. Incorporate iron, steel, brass, and bronze through lighting fixtures, hardware, and furniture details. Look for pieces with visible welds, rivets, or weathered patinas that reference factory or workshop origins. Metal brackets supporting shelves, iron bed frames, and vintage-inspired faucets all contribute to the aesthetic. For Christmas, metallic finishes appear in ornaments, candle holders, and decorative objects. The key is balance. Too much metal feels cold, while the right amount adds edge to cozy spaces. Mix metals freely. The variety feels authentic to farmhouse roots where items were collected over time. Choose matte or aged finishes over shiny chrome for that lived-in restoration hardware look. Textiles soften industrial and wood elements while adding essential warmth. Layer natural fabrics, linen, cotton, wool, and leather, in neutral tones with varied textures. Chunky cable knit throws, Belgian linen pillows, grain sack fabrics, and sheepskin rugs all belong here. For Christmas, add plaid or buffalo check patterns sparingly through pillows or table runners. Choose quality over quantity. One beautiful linen duvet beats multiple cheap alternatives. Avoid synthetic materials that lack the authentic feel. Window treatments should be simple. Linen panels or matchstick blinds maintain the natural aesthetic. The goal is creating spaces that invite touch, where you want to curl up with coffee and enjoy the season's slower pace surrounded by beautiful, comfortable materials. The Restoration Hardware Farmhouse palette centers on sophisticated neutrals with nature-inspired accents. Start with walls in soft whites, warm grays, or gentle greys providing a calm backdrop. Layer in deeper tones through furniture, oatmeal sofas, charcoal throws, aged wood pieces. For Christmas, resist the urge toward red and green. Instead, embrace natural evergreen, white, cream, and metallic accents. Touches of black through metal elements provide grounding contrast. This restrained palette allows textures and materials to shine while creating serene spaces that won't tire visually. The beauty lies in subtlety. How creamy linen glows against weathered wood, or how mercury glass catches candlelight. These timeless combinations ensure your design remains beautiful beyond any single season. Restoration Hardware style embraces the less is more philosophy. Each accessory should earn its place. Curate collections of vintage finds, ironstone pitchers, leather-bound books, antique scales, wooden dough bowls. Display them with breathing room rather than clustering. For Christmas, add natural elements, fresh evergreen clippings, pine cones, birch logs in simple containers, mercury glass in various forms, ornaments, votives, vases, catches light beautifully. Avoid anything overtly cutesy or brightly colored. Instead, choose ornaments in matte whites, aged metallics, and natural materials. Style surfaces in odd-numbered groupings with varying heights. Remember, negative space is itself a design element. Your rooms should feel collected, not decorated, as if beautiful pieces accumulated naturally over time through thoughtful selection. Creating this aesthetic doesn't require starting from scratch or unlimited budgets. Begin with paint in neutral tones. It's affordable and transformative. Source reclaimed wood from salvage yards or online marketplaces for DIY projects. Thrift vintage metal pieces and clean them up. Invest in a few quality foundational pieces. A great sofa, solid wood table, then layer in less expensive accessories. For Christmas, use nature's free materials. Branches, pine cones, and clippings. Make your own wreaths and garlands. Choose battery-operated lights, avoiding cords and outlets. Shop post-season sales for next year's mercury glass and metallics. Focus on one room at a time, letting the style evolve naturally. The beauty of farmhouse design is its accessibility. Authenticity matters more than perfection or price tags. We've journeyed through an entire Restoration Hardware-inspired farmhouse Christmas, from curb appeal to cozy corners. The magic happens when reclaimed woods meet industrial glow, when natural materials layer with quality textiles, and when restraint creates more impact than abundance. This style celebrates authenticity, craftsmanship, and the beauty of imperfection, values that align perfectly with the holiday season's deeper meaning. Remember, your home should reflect your life and story, not a showroom. Start small, build gradually, and enjoy the process of creating spaces that nurture and inspire. If you loved this tour, give us a thumbs up and drop a comment sharing your favorite farmhouse Christmas idea. Subscribe to the Daily House Ideas for weekly design inspiration that makes beautiful living accessible. Here's to your most beautiful holiday season yet.